Alright, everyone. As you all know, our biggest product launch is just around the corner. We need to ensure everything goes smooth.
Absolutely, Parker. That's why we need to identify the critical path for our production and operations to ensure we meet our deadlines.
I agree. With so many components involved in manufacturing our new product, we can't afford any delays.
Agreed. And from the marketing side, we need to synchronize our efforts with the production schedule to maximize our launch impact.
So, Bob, can you walk us through how we're going to determine the critical path and implement into our production plan?
Sure, Parker. We will start by breaking down the entire production process into smaller tasks and determining the dependencies between them. Then we will use the critical path method to identify the longest sequence of tasks that must be completed on time to avoid delaying the entire project.
And don't forget about the control planning and management, which will help us escalate the problems easier and use the materials that is needed to the project launch efficiently.
That sounds like a solid plan. Once we have the critical path and control planning and management, we can align our marketing activities accordingly to ensure we are ready for the launch date.
Excellent. Let's get work then. Bob, please coordinate with the production team and to map out the critical path. And David, ensure all engineering tasks are accounted for. In August, we start syncing up with the marketing team. Well, reconvene tomorrow to review our progress. Good day, everyone. I am Mr. Parker, the CEO of Tech Genius Corporation Incorporated. Welcome to the world of tomorrow with the Tech Genius Corp. Inc., where innovation knows no boundaries and the future is now. As a leading pioneer in technological advancements, we are thrilled to unveil our last masterpiece, the Tech Genius Quantum Pad. At Tech Genius, we believe in pushing the boundaries of possibility, challenging the status of quo, and harnessing the power of cutting-edge technologies to transform the way we live, work, and play. The Quantum Pad, we are ushering in a new era of smart home technology that promises to revolutionize the way you interact with your environment. Join us on this journey as we introduce Quantum Pad, the culmination of years of research, development, and ingenuity. Experience the fusion of quantum computing and artificial intelligence, seamlessly integrated into a sleek and innovative device that will elevate your daily life to a new heights. Get ready to embrace the future with Tech Genius Quantum Pad, where innovation meets imagination and the possibilities are endless. Welcome to the next frontier of smart living. Welcome to the Tech Genius Corp. Inc. Thank you.
Introducing the Tech Genius Quantum Pad, the revolutionary smart home assistant that combines cutting-edge quantum computing technology with artificial intelligence to revolutionize your daily life. Quantum Pad is designed to seamlessly integrate into your home environment, providing unparalleled efficiency, security, and convenience like never before. So here's some of key features of Quantum Pad. Quantum computing power. Quantum Pad harnesses the power of quantum computing to process complex algorithms and datasets as lightning speed. This enables faster decision making, enhanced problem solving capabilities, and optimized performance for all your tasks. AI Assistant. AI assistants powered by advanced artificial intelligence algorithms. Quantum Pad learn and adapts to your preferences, habits, and needs over time. It provides personalized recommendations, automations routine tasks, and anticipates your requirements to streamline your daily activities. Home automation integrations. Quantum Pad seamlessly integrate with various smart home devices and systems, allowing you to control your entire home environment with simple voice commands or intuitive app interface. From adjusting room temperatures to managing security cameras, Quantum Pad offers comprehensive control and automations options. Enhanced security with quantum encryption technology. Quantum Pads ensures maximum security for your sensitive data and communications. Say goodbye to traditional cybersecurity vulnerabilities. As Quantum Pads employs quantum mechanics principles to safeguard your digital privacy and protect against cyber threats. Intuitive user experience. Quantum Pad features a sleek and user-friendly design, making it easy for anyone to interact with and utilize its advanced capabilities. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a casual user, Quantum Pad's intuitive interface and responsive controls ensure a seamless user experience. Energy efficiency. Despite its powerful computing capabilities, Quantum Pad is designed to be energy efficient, minimizing its environment impact while maximizing performance. Its energy-saving features in smart power management ensure optimal efficiency without compromising in functionality. So here's the target market of Tech Genius Quantum Pad. The Tech Genius Quantum Pad is ideal for tech-savvy consumers who seeks the latest innovation in quantum computing and artificial intelligence. It caters to individuals and families looking to simplify their lives, enhance productivity, and enjoy the benefits of a connected and intelligent home environment. Availability. The Tech Genius Quantum Pad will be available for pre-orders starting next month, with widespread availability in retail stores and online platforms by the end of the quarter. Stay tuned for more updates and be prepared to experience the future of smart home technology with Quantum Pad.
Our mission at Tech Genius Corp Incorporation is to pioneer the development of cutting-edge technologies that redefine industry standards and exceed customer expectations. Through relentless innovation, collaboration, and commitment to excellence, we aim to deliver unparalleled value and inspire positive change in the world. We are dedicated to driving progress, transforming possibilities to realities, and shaping the digital landscapes of tomorrow. At Tech Genius Corp Incorporation, our vision is to lead the way in advancing technological innovation to empower individuals and businesses worldwide. We strive to create groundbreaking solutions that enhance productivity, foster creativity, and enrich lives, ultimately shaping a brighter future for generations to come.
Unprecedented processing power quantum pad harnesses the immense power of quantum computing, enabling lightning fast processing speeds and unparalleled performance for a wide range of tasks and applications. Number 2, enhanced efficiency. With quantum pad, users can streamline their workflows and maximize productivity thanks to its advanced computing capabilities and seamless integration with various smart home devices and systems. 3. Personalized experience quantum pad employs artificial intelligence algorithm to learn and adapt to users' preferences, habits, and needs over time, providing personalized recommendation and automating routine tasks to enhance user experience. Number 4, comprehensive home automation quantum pad serves as a centralized hub for controlling and managing smart home devices, offering users greater convenience, comfort, and control over their home environment. 5th, advanced security feature. Quantum pad utilizes quantum encryption technology to safeguard sensitive data and communications, providing users with peace of mind knowing their digital privacy is protected against cyber threats. Number 6, intuitive user interface. Quantum pad features a user-friendly interface designed to be accessible and easy to navigate, ensuring that users of all technical backgrounds can take full advantage of its advanced capabilities without hassle. Number 7, energy efficiency. Despite its power computing capabilities, quantum pad is engineered to be energy efficient, minimizing its environmental footprint while delivering optimal performance and functionality. Number 8, future-proof technology. Quantum pad represents the cutting edge of smart home technology, ensuring that users stay ahead of the curve with access to the latest innovations and updates in quantum computing and artificial intelligence. Number 9, seamless integration, QuantumPad seamlessly integrates with existing smart home ecosystems and devices, allowing effortless setup and compatibility with a wide range of product and platforms. And last, number 10, empowering innovation. By empowering users with access to advanced computing technology, QuantumPad encourage creativity, innovation, and exploration, opening up new possibilities for how we interact with and utilize technology in our daily lives.
Good day everyone, I am Alayon Charles Dharwin, and today we will discuss about the critical path method of Tech Genius Corp. Inc. on their product launch about QuantumPad. So before we go dive straight to the table, here is the table regarding to the process of the project. First, we will create a diagram for the critical path method tables. First, we have Task A. Since Task A has no predecessor, we will assume that A was the starting point of the project and put proper arrow each node. Next, Task B. As you can see in the presentation, Task A has a successor which are Task B and Task C. Since Task B and C has the same predecessor which is Task A, therefore, Task B will be upper right portion of Task A while Task C is right below Task B, and put proper arrow each node. Next is Task D. Since Task B has two successors which is Task D and Task E, Task D should be placed right portion of the Task B, above it while Task E below portion of Task D, and put proper arrow each node. After Task D, E next is Task F. The predecessor of Task F is Task C. Therefore, it should be placed right below Task E and put proper arrow each node. After Task F, next is Task G. Task G has two predecessors which are Task E and D. Therefore, Task G should be placed at the right portion between Task D and E, and put proper arrow each node. After Task G, next is Task H. Task H also has two predecessors which are Task E and F. Therefore, Task H will also be placed at the right portion between Task E and F, and put proper arrow each node. After Task H, last but not the least, Task I. Task I also has two predecessors which are Task H and G. Therefore, Task I will be also placed right portion between Task H and G. Since Task I has no successor, the diagram for project network has been finished. Now that we have finished constructing the diagram, let's convert this diagram into editable tables to input our variables. Here is our full details for our product launch. Also the legends for our variables. A is the variable for our task process in the project. T is the variable for time or duration of the project. Tech Genius have duration of days in each task. ES stands for earliest start. It is a variable which a process can start in earliest possible. EF stands for earliest finish, that a task project can finish. It is a variable that defines the completion process each project task. LS stands for latest start. This is defined as the current situation that a project task process can start. LF stands for latest finish. This variable defined as the current finish process of the task in a project. After we discuss the definition of the variables in our project, let us discuss the following problems that we have to find. First, we have to compute forward pass. Second, find the total days that a project will finish. Next is compute the backward pass method. Next, compute the slacks. And lastly, identify the critical path and justify our answer. Let us first compute forward critical path. Here, we have our project network task project with activity, predecessor, duration, or time in days. Let's go for letter A. Task A don't have predecessor and has duration day of 5. By computing earliest finish, EF is equals to time plus earliest start. Task A don't have predecessor. The earliest start would be 0 days. Our duration days would be 5. Time plus earliest start would be 5. Therefore, our earliest finish would be 5. Next task is B. Task B has predecessor of task A. Therefore, the earliest start of task B is 5. Because task A would finish at 5th day, so therefore task B will start early at 5th day. Additional days would be 10 days. To sum it up, 10 plus 5 will be 15. Therefore, the earliest finish of task B is 15. Task C also will start early at 5 because task C is the successor of task A. Additional 13 days sum up with 5 days would be equal to 18 days. Therefore, the earliest finish of task C would be 18. The predecessor of task D is task B. Therefore, the earliest start of task D would be 15. Additional workload of 7 days. To sum it up, it would be 22. Therefore, the earliest finish of task D is 22. Task E also has predecessor of task B. The earliest start will be 15 and the additional work is 3 days with total of 18 days. Therefore, the earliest finish would be 18 days. Task F has predecessor of task C. Therefore, the earliest start would be 18. Task F cannot start unless task C will finish at 18. Additional working days for task F is 9 days, plus the earliest start will be equal to 27. Now take a look at task G. Task G has 2 predecessors, which is task E and D. The rules for forward pass is that if there are 2 predecessors, get the highest value for earliest finish of the successor. Task D has earliest finish of 22, while Task E has earliest finish of 18 days. Therefore, we will use Task D as our earliest start for Task G. Additional working days of 4 days with total of 26 days as the earliest finish of Task G. Task H also has same case like Task G. The predecessor of Task H are Task E and F. Task E has earliest finish of 18 days, while Task F has earliest finish of 27 days. Therefore, we will get the Task F as our earliest start of Task H, plus the additional days of 3. We will have 30 days. Task I has 2 predecessors of Task G and I. We will get the highest value between G and I. Therefore, we will choose Task H having earliest finish of 30 days and add up to the additional workloads of 7 days, we will have 37 days. Since Task I has no successor, therefore, the earliest finish of all project network would be 37 days. Now, let's compute the backward pass. To get latest start, subtract latest finish to working loads or time duration in days. Let's start from letter I. Since the total earliest finish time of project launch would be 37, therefore, our latest finish for task I would be 37 also. 37 minus 7 would be 30. Therefore, our latest start for task I would be 30. Task H will have the latest finish on its successor, which is task I, having of 30 days. 30 days minus 3 would be 27. Therefore, Task H has earliest start of 27th day. Task G has also have same successor, which is Task I. Therefore, the earliest finish time for task G would be 30, and subtract to 4 days of work, which having of 26 days. Task F has successor of task H. The latest finish for task F would be 27. Subtract 27 to duration days of 3. We will have our latest start for task F is 18 days. Take a closer look of task E. Task E has two successors which are task G and H. The rules of backward pass is if there are two successors, get the lowest value of the latest finish of the predecessor. Task G has latest start of 26, while task H has latest start of 27. Therefore, the latest finish for task E would be 26. Subtract 26 to 3 is equals to 23. Therefore, the latest start for task E would be 23 days. Task D has successor of task G. Therefore, the latest finish of task D would be 26. Subtract 26 to 7. We'll have our latest start for task D in 19 days. Task C has successor of task F. Therefore, the latest finish of task F would be 18. Subtract to 13 days, we'll have the latest start for task C in 5 days. Task B also has two successors, which is task D and E. We will also get the lowest value, therefore we will choose task D with having latest start of 19 days. Subtract 19 to 10 days of workload, we will have the latest start for task B is 9. Task A also having two successors, which is task B and C. We will choose task C having latest start of 5, subtract with duration workload of 5. Therefore, the latest start of task A is 0 day. Now that we finish the computation for backward pass, let's compute the slack for each task of project network. Slacks are the number of days where each task have delayed duration of days per task process. By solving the slacks, we will determine the critical path for Tech Genius Corp for their product launch. To solve the slacks, you can subtract earliest start to latest start, or earliest finish minus latest finish. Let's start in task A. 0 minus 0 is equals to 0 slacks. Therefore, A is one of critical activity that cannot delay the process. Task B, 5 minus 7 equals 4 slacks. Therefore, B can have 4 days delay of work process in a project network. It either start at earliest starting days of 5 or the latest starting days of 9. Task C, 5 minus 5 is equals to 0 slacks. Therefore, is one of the critical activity that cannot delay the process. Task D, 15 minus 19 is equals to 4 slacks. Therefore, D can have 4 days delay of work process in the project. Task E, 15 minus 23 is equals to 8 slacks. Therefore, D can have 8 days delay of work in process. Task F, 18 minus 18 is equals to 0. Therefore, F is one of the critical activity that cannot delay the work in process. Task G, 22 minus 26 is equal to 4 slacks. Therefore, G can have 4 days delay of work in process. Task H, 27 minus 27 is equals to 0. Therefore, H is one of the critical activity that cannot be delayed in work in process. And lastly, Task I. 30 minus 30 is equals to 0. Therefore, I is one of the critical activity that cannot delay the work in process. Now that we computed the slacks in each project network, let us identify the critical path of the project. The critical path of the project are Task A, C, F, H, and I. If we sum up the duration of a critical activity each task, project network containing of 5, 13, 9, 3, and 7, with a total of 37. Now, we can say that the computation each table project network is correct. Therefore, the critical process was A, C, F, H, and I. If you sum up the time The total value T is 37, which is the total days of expected project completion. That's all, and thank you for listening.
Congratulations, everyone. Our product launch was a huge success.
Thank you, Parker. It was a team effort, and I'm proud of how smoothly everything went.
Our marketing campaign really paid off. The buzz around our product was incredible.
And the engineering team managed to deliver a top-notch product on time. The critical path and control planning and management really help us stay on track.
Absolutely. Implementing those project management techniques was crucial in ensuring we hit our deadlines and delivered a high-quality product.
And let's not forget the collaboration between our teams. Communication and coordination were key to our success.
Agreed. It was inspiring to see everyone come together and work towards a common goal.
Now that the launch is behind us, we can focus on sustaining this momentum and continuing to innovate.
Well said, David. Let's keep pushing forward and building on this success.